Passing HTML to template using Flask/Jinja2. I'm building an admin for Flask in SQL Alchemy, and I want to pass the HTML for the different inputs to my view using render_template. The templating framework seems to escape the HTML automatically, so all characters are converted to HTML entities. How can I disable that so that the HTML renders correctly?
To turn off auto-escaping when rendering a value, use the vertical bar safe filter. Only do this on data you trust, since rendering untrusted data without escaping is a cross-site scripting vulnerability.
Markup Safe provides Jinja's auto-escaping behavior. You can import markup and use it to declare a value HTML safe from the code. Pass that to the templates and you don't have to use the vertical bar safe filter on it.
From the Jinja docs section, HTML escaping. When automatic escaping is enabled, everything is escaped by default except for values explicitly marked as safe. Those can either be marked by the application or in the template by using the vertical bar safe filter. Example.
When you have a lot of variables that don't need escaping, you can use an auto-escape override block.